paradise found, exploring New Zealand's hidden gems. Imagine a place where mountains meet the sea. Welcome to New Zealand. This stunning destination offers breathtaking landscapes from rugged coastlines to majestic peaks. Visitors find themselves enchanted by the natural beauty and vibrant culture, making it an ideal getaway for adventure seekers and tranquility lovers alike. New Zealand boasts an incredible diversity of landscapes and culture. From lush rainforests and serene beaches to bustling urban centers, there's something for everyone. The rich Maori heritage blends seamlessly with modern Kiwi life, offering a unique cultural tapestry that enhances every travel experience. Flying to New Zealand is straightforward, with numerous international airlines offering direct routes. The best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons of spring and autumn, when the weather is mild and attractions are less crowded, ensuring a more enjoyable and relaxed vacation. Choosing between the North Island and South Island can be tough, as both offer unique experiences. The North Island is known for its geothermal wonders and Maori culture, while the South Island boasts dramatic landscapes and adventure activities. Many travelers opt to explore both for a well-rounded experience. Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, is a vibrant hub of culture and activity. Known as the City of Sails, it offers a mix of urban sophistication and natural beauty. Visitors can explore world-class museums, dine at top-notch restaurants, and enjoy stunning views from the iconic Sky Tower. Wellington is a vibrant capital city brimming with arts and culture. The city's waterfront offers stunning views and a plethora of museums, galleries, and theatres. Explore Te Papa, New Zealand's National Museum, and enjoy the lively cafe scene. Wellington's windy streets are filled with creativity and charm, inviting endless exploration. Rotorua is the heart of geothermal wonders and Maori culture. Steaming geysers, bubbling mud pools, and soothing hot springs await. Experience authentic Maori performances and traditional feasts. The scent of sulfur in the air adds to the unique atmosphere, making Rotorua a must-visit destination for cultural immersion and natural marvels. The Bay of Islands is a marine paradise perfect for sailing and snorkeling. Crystal clear waters and abundant marine life make it ideal for water activities. Visit historic Russell and the Waitangi Treaty Grounds. The stunning coastline and tranquil beaches offer relaxation and adventure in equal measure, creating unforgettable memories. Hobbiton transports you to the enchanting world of the Lord of the Rings. Wander through the picturesque movie set, complete with hobbit holes and the Green Dragon Inn. The meticulously crafted landscape captures the magic of Middle-earth, making it a dream destination for fans and a whimsical experience for all visitors. Tongariro National Park boasts the famous Tongariro Alpine Crossing, one of the world's best day hikes. Traverse volcanic landscapes, emerald lakes, and alpine meadows. The dramatic scenery and challenging trails provide an exhilarating adventure. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural significance, captivating every hiker. Waitomo Caves offer a mesmerizing underground experience with their famous glowworms. As you glide silently through the dark caverns, thousands of tiny bioluminescent creatures light up the cave ceiling like a starry night sky, creating an enchanting atmosphere that seems almost otherworldly. Coromandel Peninsula boasts some of New Zealand's most pristine beaches. Sink your toes into the golden sands of Hot Water Beach, where you can dig your own hot spring pool, or wander through Cathedral Cove, a stunning natural rock arch that frames the turquoise waters beautifully. Tauranga, a vibrant coastal city, is perfect for adventure seekers and beach lovers. Hike up Mount Maunganui for panoramic views, then unwind on the sandy shores. With plenty of water sports, Tauranga offers a mix of relaxation and adrenaline-pumping activities. Topo is a thrill-seeker's paradise with its stunning lake backdrop. Experience the adrenaline rush of skydiving over Lake Topo, offering breathtaking views of the water and surrounding mountains. For those who prefer to stay grounded, the area also offers excellent hiking trails and geothermal attractions. Napier is renowned for its Art Deco architecture and exquisite wine. Stroll through the city's beautifully preserved streets, then head to one of the nearby vineyards to sample some of New Zealand's finest wines. The combination of history and viticulture makes Napier a unique and charming destination. Mount Taranaki's symmetrical volcanic cone offers breathtaking hiking trails through lush forests and alpine meadows. The mountain is revered in Maori culture and provides stunning vistas from every angle. Whether you're a seasoned mountaineer or a casual trekker, Taranaki's rugged beauty promises an unforgettable adventure. Verarapa's charming countryside is a heaven for wine lovers and nature enthusiasts. Wander through picturesque vineyards, sample exquisite local wines, and relish the region's tranquil ambience. The area also boasts delightful colonial architecture and vibrant farmers' markets, making it the perfect escape from city life. Marlborough Sounds is a network of serene waterways and lush landscapes ideal for cruising. Sail through crystal-clear waters, explore secluded coves, and enjoy the diverse marine life. This picturesque region offers peace and tranquility, making it a must-visit for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Nelson serves as the gateway to Abel Tasman National Park, renowned for its golden beaches and coastal tracks. This vibrant city is a hub for artists and outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy a blend of cultural experiences and natural beauty, with plenty of opportunities for kayaking, hiking, and exploring artisan markets. Kakora is the ultimate destination for whale watching, offering close encounters with majestic marine giants. This coastal town also provides opportunities to see seals and dolphins. The dramatic seascapes and rugged coastline add to Kakora's allure, making it a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Christchurch is a city reborn from the ashes of devastating earthquakes. With its innovative architecture, vibrant art scene, and lush gardens, it offers a unique blend of resilience and creativity. Wander through the Botanic Gardens, visit the Canterbury Museum, and experience the rejuvenated spirit of this remarkable city. Lake Tekapo is renowned for its breathtaking night skies. As a designated dark sky reserve, it offers unparalleled stargazing opportunities. By day, admire the turquoise waters and surrounding mountains. Relax by the lake, visit the Church of the Good Shepherd, and marvel at the celestial wonders above. Metricton, Cook, New Zealand's highest peak, stands majestically in the Southern Alps. This iconic mountain offers numerous trekking opportunities, from gentle walks to challenging climbs. Explore the surrounding Aoraki Metricton Cook National Park, discover the striking Tasman Glacier, and immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring alpine scenery. Queenstown, known as the adventure capital of the world, is a thrill-seeker's paradise. Nestled beside Lake Wakatipu, this vibrant town offers activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating. Beyond adrenaline rushes, enjoy scenic gondola rides, indulge in world-class dining, and soak in the stunning landscapes. Milford Sound, a spectacular fjord in Fiordland National Park, is a natural wonder. Cruise through its deep waters, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. The serene beauty of this remote location captivates visitors, offering an unforgettable experience in one of New Zealand's most iconic destinations. Nestled beside a serene lake, Wanka offers a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. From hiking trails to water sports, there's something for everyone. Kayak on crystal-clear waters, or simply relax on the shores and take in the breathtaking alpine scenery. Wanka is a heaven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Franz Josef Glacier is a marvel of nature, offering thrilling ice hiking adventures. Walk through icy tunnels and marvel at the blue ice formations. Guided tours ensure safety while providing fascinating insights into the glacier's history. It's an unforgettable experience that brings you up close to one of New Zealand's natural wonders. Dunedin is a city rich in Scottish heritage, offering a unique blend of architecture and wildlife. Explore the historic buildings and visit the Royal Albatross Centre to witness these magnificent birds. The city's vibrant art scene and beautiful coastal landscapes make it a captivating destination for culture and nature enthusiasts. Fiordland National Park is a pristine wilderness paradise renowned for its dramatic landscapes. Home to the famous Milford Sound, the park offers unparalleled opportunities for hiking, boating, and wildlife spotting. Experience the awe-inspiring beauty of waterfalls cascading down sheer cliffs and lush rainforests teeming with life. Stewart Island is a remote heaven for bird watching and nature exploration. Its untouched landscapes provide a sanctuary for unique wildlife, including the elusive kiwi bird. Hike through dense forests, kayak along rugged coastlines, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this off-the-beaten-path destination. Stewart Island is a true escape into nature. New Zealand's wildlife is a treasure trove of unique species, including the iconic kiwi bird. Visitors can explore sanctuaries and reserves to witness these nocturnal creatures in their natural habitat. Other fascinating animals include the tuatara, a reptile from the dinosaur age, and the playful Hector's dolphins. New Zealand's cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors. Seafood lovers will relish fresh green-lipped mussels, while meat enthusiasts savor lamb dishes. Don't miss trying the famous pavlova dessert. Local farmers' markets and restaurants provide an array of farm-to-table delights, reflecting the nation's agricultural bounty. Adventure enthusiasts flock to New Zealand for adrenaline-pumping activities. From bungee jumping off towering bridges to whitewater rafting through wild rivers, the options are endless. Skydiving offers breathtaking views of landscapes below, while mountain biking and ziplining provide thrilling ways to explore the rugged terrain. Known for its world-class wines, New Zealand offers delightful vineyard tours and tastings. Marlborough is famous for its Sauvignon Blanc, while Central Otago excels with Pinot Noir. Touring these picturesque wine regions, visitors can enjoy stunning views, meet passionate winemakers, and savor exquisite wines paired with local delicacies. New Zealand is a leader in sustainable travel, with eco-friendly accommodations and tours that preserve its natural beauty. Choose lodgings that follow green practices and opt for activities that minimize environmental impact. Support local conservation projects and always follow leave no trace principles to ensure this paradise remains unspoiled. Travel tips for New Zealand include booking accommodations and activities in advance, especially during peak seasons. Rent a car to explore remote areas at your own pace and always carry a good map. Embrace the Kiwi spirit of adventure and don't be afraid to take the road less traveled. Safety and health should be top priorities when exploring New Zealand. Ensure you have travel insurance, stay hydrated, and protect yourself from the sun. Familiarize yourself with local emergency numbers and respect nature's power by checking weather forecasts before embarking on outdoor adventures. Packing essentials for a New Zealand adventure include layered clothing for varying weather, sturdy hiking boots, and a reliable rain jacket. Don't forget sunscreen, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle. A camera is a must to capture the breathtaking scenery, and a power adapter for your electronics. Ready to explore paradise? Start planning your New Zealand journey today. Embrace the stunning landscapes, rich cultures, and thrilling adventures that await. Whether you're seeking serene beauty or adrenaline-pumping activities, New Zealand offers an unforgettable experience. Book your trip now and embark on the adventure of a lifetime.